In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Outlook Desktop. Logging out is a simple habit that protects your email, calendar, and files, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. We'll walk through the process right from your desktop browser so you know exactly where everything is and what each option does. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. Look for the official Microsoft Outlook result. It will clearly reference Microsoft and usually sits near the top. Click that result to open Outlook in your browser. If you're already signed in, your inbox will load. If you see a sign-in prompt instead, go ahead and sign in as you normally would so you can access the sign-out controls. Once Outlook is open, move your eyes to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo or your initials inside a small circle. That's your account menu. Click it to expand the options. From here, select Sign Out. Outlook will immediately end your session and take you back to a Microsoft sign-in page. This option is perfect for quickly closing your session when you're finished. Remember, simply closing the browser tab doesn't always sign you out, so using the Sign Out command is the safest choice. There's also a second method that's even more thorough. Next to your account, click the three dots, the More Options icon, and choose Sign Out and Forget. This not only signs you out, but it also tells Outlook to forget this account on this device. That means your email won't autofill next time, and the account won't linger in the recent list. It's a great choice for shared computers or when you manage multiple Outlook accounts and want a clean slate. If you juggle more than one account, take a moment to confirm which one is active before signing out. The profile menu displays the current account, helping you avoid logging out of the wrong one. And if you don't immediately see your profile icon, try maximizing your browser window or adjusting zoom. The icon lives at the far top right of the Outlook page. That's it. Use the profile menu to sign out for a quick exit, or pick Sign Out and Forget for extra privacy on this device. When you're ready to come back, just return to the Outlook site and sign in to access your inbox again. Thanks for watching, and keep your data secure by signing out whenever you're done.